Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Autospin Monster Residual Flyer. Folks, this flyer is just absolutely on fire, and it's continuing to convert. We're extremely excited about it. And I'm going to roll this intro, and then I'm going to get to the Monster Residual Income. I'm going to show you, folks, what came in the past 2 days. 2 days with the Monster Residual Flyer. We're going to open some of them up on live, but for the sake of the video, we're going to talk about the flyer, and we'll go from there. I'm going to roll the intro, and then I'll get back with you on the other side. Timothy Thomas here. Before we start the video, go ahead and make sure you like the video, hit the like button, and the notification bell, so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Consider subscribing to this channel. This channel is about money-making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. Folks, we are in a run of a lifetime with our working home opportunities. We're going to talk about the Autospin Flyer. I've been talking about this flyer for a while, but before we get started, folks, come over to the YouTube channel and see what we've got going on. We have some phenomenal programs going on. Multiple streams of income. Multiple streams of income can make you a ton of money. We're going to talk about what we feel that you can make in some of these programs. But of course, as an income disclaimer, in life, nothing happens until you take action. Folks, we just had $700 come in just with Autospin. Now, we've got a ton of payments that have came in for itsyourdecision.net and more coming. Put a seatbelt on, folks. We are getting ready for a run. Partner in these opportunities, and you can change your life exponentially. Jose Green always says that every millionaire has several streams of income. Look at the money came in for the Supreme Prop System just the other day. And I'm telling you, let me, again, $700 just came in, and I'll show some of this to you as I go through the video. I'm opening up a few for you on live, but it's just incredible. We're going to talk about the flyer. The flyer is a one-page flyer. It has a one-page flyer. It has 4 levels. You send $100 to 4 different people. You'll go in level number 1 when you get your flyer name in number 1 position. When you get a sign up, you will move to number 2, then number 3. You will have those perpetual pay positions on all those flyers as your team grows. It has a residual income effect. Well, Timothy, what is the product? What is the value? You're going to get a report, the mail report. How do you make money from home? You're going to get leads. You're going to get continual support, and a ton of information to grow this home-based business and any other home-based business that you're working on. The Monster Residual Cash Plan. Folks, I have been talking about this thing. Here's a video that I did just yesterday. Here's another one I did 4 months ago. It says mailing the Autospin Flyer from home, how you can win mailing this flyer. 4 months ago, I did a video on this. I did plenty since then, and I've got several more in this on my YouTube channel. The Autospin Flyer is incredible. So again, I did this one 3 months ago. This one says earn hundreds daily with the Autospin Flyer. Folks, people are seeing so much success. You and your family to get started today with Autospin. If you're not in Autospin Flyer, it's a simple flyer. You mail this one-page flyer, and we'll print the cover letter on the back side or another sheet of paper. You can do it any way that you want to do it. Usually I have a yellow piece of paper with the Autospin on it, and that's how we're winning. And we are winning extremely big with this Autospin Flyer. I'm telling you, great things are happening. Here's the cover letter, the $100 Monster Residual Cash Plan, and it's just ready to go. We can put your name on it and go from there. Let's open up a few of these, folks. Here is a priority mail package. And let me tear into some of this stuff. We're going to cover up personal information. Let me open up, probably it's $700 here. Open up about 4 of them, and we'll go from there. careful not to tear a check or anything. Here is the Autospin flyer. This person sent $50 cash in. Well, $50 cash. And I'm going to set this over here. $50 cash with that one. Here is another one that came in. Okay, this is a check covering up personal information. This is a money order for $100. I don't know if you can see it with this. Guys, I apologize. I used the wrong camera for that. But it's a money order for $100. And we'll put this one over to the side. I'm only going to open up 2 more of them. Again, like I said, $700 came in with it. Sometimes the proof, you get so much proof out there, it can absolutely get ridiculous. Does the program work? Absolutely, undeniably, yes. We have people pouring into the Autospin Monster Residual. And I'm going to do another update video on itsyourdecision.net. People are flooding into that. I'm telling you, we're getting ready to take a run, folks. And we're building American Build Money, the residual income program on the backside. Folks, this is exciting. I'm telling you what, when you have 2, 3, 4 opportunities and all of them are blasting off payments on a daily, continual basis, this, my friends, is the powerful strategy of success, and you do it over and over and over and over again. You can have all 2 or 3 programs working for you simultaneously, building your income. Here's another priority mail. Okay, this is another this priority mail. Here is another priority mail check, and I know this person called and said that they were going to send it in via priority mail. And let me get this thing opened up. Here's another one. Cover this up. Eric Jones joined. I'm sorry, guys, if you can't see that clearly. Next time I'll use the other software when I'm opening up payment proof so you can really look at it. Just absolutely staggering results. Here's $50 cash. Another $50 cash payment. Incredible. Here is another one. I know Mr. Porter called, said he was joining. I'm going to cover Porter's information. Let me back up, guys, so you can clearly see that. Okay, Mr. Porter, his information. I got my finger over his personal information. Let's open this up. Okay, here is the Autospin flyer. Autospin flyer. Back up real quick. Autospin flyer. And here, guys, more personal information. This is another cashier's check for $100. Another cashier's check. This is the Monster Residual. Folks, if you want to get started with this program produces $100 payments over and over again. $700 just came in the last 2 days. Income disclaimer, nothing happens till you take action. Make sure you smash out the like button. Hit the like button and go from there. Here's another one. And this is the last one I'm going to open. I got 2 or 3 more to open. But you already seen me open $400. Here's another one. Here's the Autospin flyer. Somebody melted in the Autospin flyer. This is... Okay, another cashier's check. Oh, my goodness. Let me cover up personal information. Another cashier's check. That was a money order. It's another money order for $100. For $100. That just came in. Guys, I'm going to stop there for the sake of the video because it's like 3 more payments to open. But great things are happening. The way this flyer works, you're going to mail this one-page flyer, and I'm going to show you the bottom of it in just a minute. This one-page flyer. Are you worried about the recession? Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? And look at the note at the top. It says the $100 a month residual cash plan. You need to build a residual income, and this is what we're building it out the $14,000 per month potential. Flood your mailbox with unlimited $100 payments over and again. Folks, can you mail a flyer? Can you put a stamp on it? Can you put a name label on it? If you said yes, you can qualify yourself up to and including 14 grand per month. All you do is mail this flyer and put its cycle into Autospin and start enjoying your life with no money or worries. You're worried about recession? Are you living from paycheck to paycheck? Would an extra $500 a week create life-changing results for you and your family? If so, drop everything you're doing and read this letter. And now the most amazing thing is that it is recession-proof. It's called the $100 Monster Residual Cash Plan. When you join the Monster Residual Cash Plan, you can begin to make money from home. You don't need any additional experience. The money comes directly to your mailbox. That's incredible. $100 money orders can add up fast. With just $500 a day, you can receive $500 to $3,500 per week, which can equate to $14,000 per month. What are you waiting for? This is a no-brainer of an opportunity. Here is how it works. When you receive your copy of this flyer with your name in the number 1 position, everyone that joins from your flyer will move to position number 2. Folks, when they start mailing, everyone who joins from that flyer moves to position number 3 after the number 2 people move. You will be literally on hundreds of thousands of flyers to start earning $100 cash payments. And folks, this is powerful. This is an income example. And this right here shows you how to get started. This is the bottom of the flyer. Your name in the number 1 position. Then you're going to go in number 2 and number 3 as you get signups. One person go out and get you 100 people, folks. One person go get you 100 people, that's $10,000. And that's just the beginning of the money. You're going to get 3 money orders, make it payable to these 3 people. Make 1 payable to the manager of the program. That's $400 to get started. Fill out the bottom, and you can flood your mailbox with unlimited cash payments from Autospin. We're going to give you also this additional cover letter, the Monster Residual cover letter. Let me move me out the way. It says, receive a never-ending flood of multiple money orders daily. The results are absolutely incredible. This flyer system is working fantastic. This is it has powerful, fast-moving pay plan, rotates down through infinity. This is the fastest way to grow your income over and over again. Anyone can do this program, folks. Anyone can dive in. If you have a will, a way, a desire to succeed, you can begin to succeed on day 1 with this flyer. We've got proven buyer leads. I'll put the link below the video. We're utilizing several mailing lists. And my number 1 go-to mailing list is going to be, of course, Wilson's list. This is the solution. 1-page flyer. Are you ready to experience the power of mail order? System works fast. It's working fantastic for me and others. The $100 Monster Residual Cash Plan. People have residual bills. Why not have residual income? This can flood your mailbox with 100 money orders daily. I had $700 come in 2 days. I've got more to open. Did not open everything on this video for the sake of the time of the video, and we'll go from there.